Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea in a coffee maker. First, choose your favorite tea, whether it's loose leaf or convenient tea bags. It's crucial to ensure your coffee maker is spotless, free from any lingering coffee grounds or oils. Then, fill the water reservoir with fresh, cold water. This simple preparation ensures a clean, pure tea flavor. Now, for the brewing. If using loose leaf, place it in the filter basket. For tea bags, you can put them directly into the carafe. If your coffee maker has temperature control, set it appropriately for your tea type. Start the brew cycle, but keep an eye on it. You want to stop the brewing once your tea reaches your preferred strength, usually within a few minutes. Once brewed, let your tea steep for about 3 to 5 minutes to extract its full flavor. Now comes the fun part, customization. Add a splash of milk, a spoonful of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or a fresh slice of lemon to suit your taste. Remember, a clean machine is a happy machine, so always give your coffee maker a good rinse after enjoying your tea. For the best possible tea, always use filtered water. It truly makes a difference in taste. To keep your coffee maker in top condition and ensure consistent flavor, remember to descale it regularly. This prevents mineral buildup and extends its lifespan. Also, for those looking to streamline their kitchen, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They're perfect for meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.